In this episode, we'll be learning filtering and sorting in Pandas. If you want to become a real data analyst, this is not optional, this is mandatory. By the end of this video, we'll learn how to filter our data set by row, by multiple conditions, and also using and or, and we'll also sort our data. So let's quickly get started. So we import our library. Import our sale dataset. So we're able to import our dataset and we're able to load our dataset, and the .add function show the first 5 rows. So, and it gives us the information of the dataset. The dataset consists of the order ID, the customer name, the country, the order date, and the quantity. So let's start filtering. So let's filter our country by Nigeria. So let's filter for the country Nigeria. So basically, you can just copy this. Boom. So we're able to filter the country Nigeria. Let's also filter the category. Again, let's filter the category column by electronic. So we notice that all the country here are Nigeria. So this is how single condition filtering work. Let's also do the same thing for the other column. So we are filtering the condition, the category column, by electronic. Let's filter for the electronic. Boom, it works. We notice that this category column was able to sort all the value for our row to be electronic. So we are filtering all the row where category is electronic. So this is how single condition filtering work. So let's proceed filtering with numbers. Now let's start. So let's filter for the price. Let's filter for the price. So you can just copy the price. So you can filter for the price greater than 500. Let's see. So we are filtering with numbers. So we are picking price because it has numbers rows. So boom, it works. So we're able to filter price where all the rows is greater than 500. You should know that this sign simply means greater than. This sign simply means less than. This sign means greater than. Then you should know that this sign basically means less than or equals to. Then this sign basically means not equals to. So these are the signs that we need to notice and know very well in filtering. So let's proceed. Let's also filter the quantity column. You can just copy this. So let's filter the quantity column. Let's filter for the quantity column greater than 2. Let's see. Boom. So we're able to filter for the quantity column greater than 2. Let's also filter for the quantity greater than 3. Let's see. Boom, it works. So these are how filtering with number works. This is how filtering with number works. So let's proceed. Filtering with multiple condition. Now this is where most beginners get confused. If we want to filter with more than one condition, we use and for and. Then we use these symbols for or. So these are the conditions that we use for multiple conditions. So let's quickly get started. So we'll be using our country column for parties. So pick our country column. The country column that is Nigeria. That the condition is Nigeria. So you paste. Then you close this. And the category column. The category column that is electronic. So electronic is inside the category. Then close it. So what does the code mean? It means country must be Nigeria and the category must be electronic for it to be what? For it to be true. So let's run our code and see. Boom, it works. So this simply means our country must be Nigeria and our category must be electronic for it to be true. Let's also check for the or condition. So it's basically write your code. So let's check for the country. That is USA or our country is UK. So let's check our code. So the condition is if the country is equals UK or if the country is equal USA or if the country is equal UK. So let's run our code and see. So I think we have an error here. Let's quickly check where is the error coming from. There's not much parentheses. Okay. Let's check where our error is coming from. Oops, this is where our error is. Boom, it works. So it's here we are saying that give me rules where the country is USA or where the country is UK. This only way to become true. So if you notice that we only have USA and UK, but if you notice here, this for the or condition, but this is for the and condition. That is, this the country must be Nigeria and the category must be electronic. The country must be Nigeria and the category must be electronic. But here the country must be USA or UK. So that's how the and or function works. So let's proceed. So the cleaner method to use is the .isin method. So let's check and see the .isin method. Let's see how it works. So picking our country column. Let's see how the method works. .is in of our USA and our UK. You have an error. Okay. Boom, it worked. So basically, this is a professional way. Instead of repeating the or multiple times, we use .isin method. So this is a professional way of doing this above code. So this is the professional way. The cleaner method is in method. So instead of us writing or multiple times, we use in method. It's much cleaner, more scalable, and this is how re-analysis work. So let's proceed. So we are sorting our data now. So we are sorting, let's use the price column. Let's use the price column. Let's sort our data by the price column. So we are sorting our data by price column. So sort value. It's a Python code. Sort our data. Boom. So we're able to sort our data by default. Pandas sort our data in ascending order. That is from the lowest to the highest. So we are sorting the price column. Pandas sort our data from the lowest to the highest by default. So now to sort our data in descending order, that is from the highest to the lowest. Let's write the code. So let's use our price column. Then write ascending equals our first. Boom, it works. So we're able to sort our price column from the highest to the lowest. You can see with the help of ascending equals first. So this is a Python code that helps us to sort our value from the highest to the lowest. But by default, if we sort our value in pandas, it will start from the lowest to the highest. But with the help of the ascending equals first, we're able to sort our data from the highest to the lowest. So now let's proceed. So we are sorting by multiple columns. So let's continue again. Let's use our country and price column to sort. Sort value. And our price column. Boom, it works. So This sort our country column in alphabet order and also our price. So look, if you notice now, our country column is sorted in alphabet order. You can see we have Canada and we have US, that is X starting with C, and US and starting with U, and also the price too is also sorted. This is multiple sorting method. So let's do mix sorting. Sort value. So this mix sorting method we have ascending, equals true, and here that's false. Boom, it works. So we're able to sort our country from A to Z, that is using this ascending function, and also we're also able to sort our price column. So this is how business reports work. So let's undo business example from our data set. Let's combine filtering and sorting. Imagine a manager wants you to answer this question: electronic products bought above 700, sort from highest to the lowest. So let's solve this 3 business example. So pick our category column. Of the products, which is electronic, and of price. So the price column that is greater than 700 dots. We sort the value of our price ascending equals false. Let's confirm our code. Let's confirm our code. We have an error here. Boom, it works. So we're able to answer this analysis question. We're able to filter and get electronic products bought above 700 of price, and we're able to know the price, we're able to know the products, we're able to know the order ID, the customer name, from the price, that is from the highest to the lowest. Products that are being sold, that is under this under the category column, the product, and the product that is electronic that is being sold above the price of 700. So this is how we answer reward question. We're able to use filtering and sorting. So in this video, we're able to come to conclusion. We're able to learn we're able to learn basic filtering, numbering, filtering, using and or logic, using isin method, sorting, and also handling multiple column in sorting. So in the next video, you will learn more about how to handle data. We'll also know more about aggregate function, data preprocessing. So if you know you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel and also comment. The data sets used will be available in the description video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.